Hey folks, I'm here with Tute. We've been recording loads of videos over the last couple of days for you all. I've been received really well here. We made a fun little video, kind of advert, jokey thing for anybody that's interested in coming to stay with Tute in the future. You can check that out and get in touch with him through me or find Tute on Facebook. I've enjoyed playing Merengue with you, and also this special song Tinovatenda.
Tinovatenda.
Yeah, it's I've almost got it in my hands. Is that funny note? Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything from you about what we've been working on?
Yeah, we have been working on songs, different songs, and the meanings and the story behind the songs. So when you come here also, you will find me here waiting for you to do all those things together with you. And you learn a little more from me.
I didn't know how deep and broad Tute's Mbira understanding and playing was until I came here, and you said something about the standard.
You know, if you want to come and learn here, you learn the standard of playing Mbira and the old fashion of playing Mbira.
Because Tute's seen all of that. You know, you've seen all those guys.
Yeah, I do.
I've been really well looked after, and yeah, I'm going to upload this one when I get back to Small World later on, and then off to Gift Chigedes in Karoy. So big hugs and thanks to Tute. I hope to see you again.
You're welcome.
This song, Tinovatenda,
Yeah.
is your composition, and the meaning, we give thanks to the spirits,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
and playing here with you, and I give thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well,
Pamsoroi, Maitabasa, which word do I say?
Tinovatenda, Maitabasa. Tinovatenda.
Thank you so much.
Oh, wow, yeah. It's a nice song.